In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Google Pay in your Stripe account. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, go to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that opens your account configuration options. After that, look through the Settings menu until you find the Product Settings section. In that section, click Payments. This will take you to the area where Stripe lets you manage how customers can pay you. Next, open the Payment Methods tab. Here, you will see a list of the payment options that are available for your Stripe account. Scroll down through the list carefully until you find Google Pay. Stripe may show many payment methods in this section, so take a moment to locate the correct one. When you see Google Pay, click Turn On or use the toggle next to it to enable it. Once you do that, Stripe may display additional settings related to Google Pay. Review any options that appear so you understand how the payment method will be used in your account. If Stripe asks for any extra setup or verification, complete those steps before moving on. The exact prompts can vary depending on your account setup, your business location, or the payment configuration you are already using. Follow the on-screen instructions until the setup process is complete. When you are done, return to the list of payment methods and confirm that Google Pay now shows as enabled. This is an important final check because it lets you verify that the payment method has been successfully turned on in your Stripe account. After confirming that it is enabled, test your checkout experience. This helps you make sure Google Pay appears correctly for eligible customers. If your checkout is set up properly and the customer is using a supported device and browser, Google Pay should display as one of the available payment options. Testing this step is useful because it confirms that the payment method is not only enabled in Stripe, but also visible during the actual checkout process. If it does not appear right away, review your checkout settings and make sure your integration supports Google Pay. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.